Welcome to Machine Learning for OpenCV, Advanced Methods and Deep Learning by Michael Baylor, a course by Pact Publishing. I'm Mark Thomas and I'll be the presenter for this course. Michael Baylor is a postdoctoral fellow at the University of Washington in Seattle. His work lies at the intersection of neuroscience, computer vision and machine learning. Michael is the author of two Pact books, OpenCV with Python Blueprints 2015 and Machine Learning for OpenCV 2017. He's an active contributor to several open-source software projects and has professional programming experience in Python, C, C++, CUDA, MATLAB and Android. His technical blog can be found at www.askaswiss.com. Let's look at the overview of the course. The first section is implementing a spam filter with Bayesian learning, which will introduce you to probability theory and show you how you can use Bayesian inference to classify emails as spam or not. After that, the section Discovering Hidden Structures with Unsupervised Learning will talk about unsupervised learning algorithms such as k-means clustering, expectation maximization. The next section, Using Deep Learning to Classify Handwritten Digits, will introduce you to the exciting field of deep learning. You'll learn how to build deep neural networks in order to classify handwritten digits from the extensive MNIST database. Moving further, combining different algorithms into an ensemble will show you how to effectively combine multiple algorithms into an ensemble in order to overcome the weaknesses of individual learners, resulting in more accurate and reliable predictions. The final section, Selecting the Right Model with Hyperparameter Tuning, will introduce you to the concept of model selection, which allows you to compare different machine learning algorithms. This course walks you through the key elements of OpenCV and its powerful machine learning classes, while demonstrating how to get to grips with a range of models. So, let's begin this journey together, and I hope to see you there.